Hello. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Round. Now, for those who don't know, Round is an internal hub management portal that allows you to create unlimited invoices, quotations, and booking and order slips for your customers. So if you're a business, you're looking to migrate from the manual method of writing invoices, Round is the perfect tool for you. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to head over to round website, which is roundihmp.com. Then you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you see this create new account screen. So they have entered my email address and my password. So in this tutorial, I'm basically going to show you how to set it up and start running and creating your first invoice. So the first thing to do is to enter your valid email address, as I've done. Then you enter in your password. You can always see your password. There is not my password. You can always use these credentials to test it out. So once you've entered your email address and password, what you then have to do is to press on create new account. So now you're going to create your new account. So Round is a great tool for you to be able to digitalize your document creation. So the first thing that you see, this is the dashboard. This is where everything is going to be happening. So as you can see, this is tells you what Round is, the setup instructions for new accounts, which is, yeah, first you have to add product and services, and then you add your company details. Then afterwards, when you create your documents, you can be able to download the PDF with the company details that will be appearing. So the first thing is first, as you saw, number one is says you have to add your product and services. So now I operate a car rental business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bunch of cars on the product or services, because this is the product that I'm offering people. So that's the first thing that you need to first do. You go here on add product and services tab. So now it is open. So after that, I know you have to, since I said I operate a car rental business, I'm going to create my first car, which is a Mazda 3 there. Uh, then I'm going to add it into my system. Then let's create my second car, which is a Toyota 356. That's the second car that I'm going to create. So now, once I've created this, I'll be able to now select the car that I want to create an invoice for. So this is the first important step. So you can always add a lot of products if you are into waiting, catering, if you're into cake, if you're a DJ, or if you're selling products, you can always come and add those products here. So now once that has been done, I have to go back to my dashboard. Once I've gone back to my dashboard, now the second step, as we saw here, is to add company details. So I'm just going to press there on add company details. So this is where I update my company details. These are the company details that appear on your invoice. So my car is car rentals 3. My address is 84 Force BTY. My banking details, that we're going to create a fictional bank, which is Vile via bank. That's my banking details. The country, I'm going to select Angola. Then I have to upload my logo. So I'm just going to press here on upload desktop, look for an image. Let me look for an image that I can use. Oh, here's a good picture. Now it's going to upload the image. It logo has been uploaded successfully. Then I'm going to update the company information. So once this company says company information has been updated successfully, so that means everything that I've entered here will appear on the invoice. Now let's go and create our first invoice. Create invoice. Then we press on create invoice. So when you create an invoice, the details that you did, that you just entered into your aid company details will always appear. Now the date has been set there. Which product am I invoicing? A Master 3. What's the price for the rentals? It's 234. Balance due, probably the person has no balance, you enter zero. Payment option, MasterCard, online payment. Booking, they've booked it from 31 October to probably 6 November. Company customer details, just going to enter in their phone number, and it's Mr. Cloud. That's the person renting out, Mr. C. So we're just going to see our invoice preview. So the invoice preview shows you how the invoice appears when the person has been when it's been generated. As you can see, the here are our company details that we entered, our contact details that we entered, and our logo on top there. Now we're just gonna close that. Since we now see it's correct, then we're gonna save the invoice. So it says invoice has been generated successful. So this is the process that you do for everything from quotation to booking an order slip. So now we have to go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's see. Now we've created an invoice. Now we uh wanna see the invoice that we just created, because we created an invoice. So now we want to see and print it out for the person who booked the car. As you can see, there's our numbering, number one, date, amount paid, balance zero, payment option, booking start date, booking end date, customer details. So now we want to download the PDF copy for the individual so that they can get their invoice and you can print it out. There it is. So this is how the invoice appears on Round. Your company details there, your bank account, then your contact details, the invoice number is shown, the logo is shown, everything is shown. As you can see, the advantage of Round is we don't place our watermark. So it's a clean invoice specifically for your company. So you can always press save. It will then save the document. So it will save it on my desktop there, car rentals. You can always check the name, then you've saved. So that's basically how you create an invoice. That's basically how you'd create uh, a document on Round. It's that simple. Here it shows you your when your account expires. Since this is a free trial, there's a 14-day free trial. You can the countdown. You always be seeing it here. And let's say you have done everything. You created the staff accounts. Staff accounts is where you add staff accounts for people, for your other staff members, so that they can be able to see the documents that have been created. You can create multiple accounts for different people. Quotations, you can be able to create your quotation, your company quotation there for the car or for the business that you be doing there. So as you can see, these are select products. So it's the same process. Select the quotation date, you enter the customer details and everything. Let's go back to dashboard. Now, booking orders, you can create a booking order, invoice, add company details, add your expenses, create quotation. So for create quotation, create orders, and create invoice, it's the same process that we did for the invoice. And for booking start here, you can see how many invoices have been created for a particular set of time. Here, so this is our invoice for number one. So it says download. So we change that to there to November. As you can see, we can see that the master was booked only once. That's our invoice statistics. So basically, this is how you used Round to create company documents, invoices, quotations, and all sorts of stuff. Now, if your trial period expires, the portal will prompt you to make a subscription. So as you can see here are our subscriptions. We've got the monthly, which is 99 cents, $2.63 for 3 months, $5 for 6 months, and you can always choose to subscribe for the 12 months, which is $9.50. So this is the payment plans that you are able to pay for when you're using Round. So that's it, folks. This is basically what Round is. If you wanna contact us, you can always create the contact. You can always come here, send us an email on info@round.com, or if you have any feature that you want added, feature that you think your company needs but is not available, always give us an email. We will promptly look at it and make the update if necessary. Thank you.